Hey, sweetheart, you haven't moved at all today. You just woke up at 3 a.m., ate food, woke up the whole house, and then you've just been here all day. Is this the life you live? You just chill here, and then what? Whenever dinner or breakfast shows up, you decide to do something? Can we switch lives? I would love to have your life. Yeah? You don't like it? You don't like your life? Do you like your life? You love your life. It's a good one. Basil. Oh my God, you're not even Basil, you're Hazel. I should have gone with different names, but you're just too cute. This is my little Hazel witch. I think she is her breed is cat because that's what it is. But she has pretty colors. You're pretty? You're really pretty. You would never have to sleep on the street. You have zero survival skills. Not even fight or flight skills. You literally are fine with going to the vet. No one even has to hold you.